will give what data set, man? Public, we will tell them directly explore on the data set actually. Then you will get an idea. Are you ready, sir? Let's move on. Then let's move on this. Now this data visualization, we are going to apply on public data set. So conclusion of the story. What is the conclusion, Daniel? What conclusion you wanted to give actually? Passenger survived. What exactly means survived? Tell me one name. Survive in పేరు చెప్తారా? Madam name, sir. Do you know about the madam name? Oh, good, Rosie, I guess actually. Did you? I hope you remember the subject also, I guess. Right. Next one. Who not survived actually? Passenger. ఎవరు సర్వైవ్ అవ్వలేదు చెప్తారా? చెప్పండి పర్లేదు, నేనేమన్నా యాక్చువల్. సర్వైవ్డ్ యాక్చువల్. వాట్ ఇస్ ద నేమ్? Jock actually. Good. So, I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. Jock actually. Good. Now, let me tell you, passenger survived, right? The reasons we are going to find out. What are all reasons? What is the parameter in the back end actually? Why she survived? Why she? Like she, how many survived? Why he didn't survive? What might be the reason? We are going to apply data visualization. We are going to apply what, Saji? Data. I hope you are clear, I guess. Can I continue? More to the discussion. Fine. So let's find out the reason. Let's find out what exactly reason. Quite interesting. Sir, I'm talking about the technical discussion, right? So please, let's find out the reasons actually. So let's apply data visualization on Titanic dataset. What dataset, Sarji? Titanic dataset. Actually, get ready to understand. Then I hope I have given some quick introduction. Focus on this. We are shorting, sir. More to the discussion, please. Where are we? Yep. So a small quick introduction. Hold on. The Titanic was well known, like, unsinkable ship, and it was the largest, most luxurious passenger ship. We already know it is one of the very popular ship actually. Almost every world come to know. So almost all countries come to know it is one of the big ship actually. But suddenly what happened, sir? So and so time and killing over many people, while just a few people got what exactly, man? Survived. When you remember Titanic, remember two things. Passengers traveled, few people survived, few people not survived. Survived. What is the reason? Not survived. What is the reason? Not only, it's not only life jacket actually. Imagine there is a person, that admin team, they have given life jacket intentionally to two members. They didn't give it intentionally to the two members, a few members actually. Why they didn't give in? Before giving the life jacket, what they have observed actually? What is the parameter? What might be the reason they have given actually? We'll come to know this. Are you ready, sir? Good. Move on. Let's analyze the Titanic dataset. This is the public dataset subject. This is what, man? Every data scientist should aware public data sets especially. We are going to working with a new library which is so called as a Seaborn library. What library? Seaborn is little advanced to Matplotlib. Seaborn was advanced to data visualization library. By using this, we can visualize the data. Environmental setup. How to do actually pip install? Seaborn, right? I hope how you install Matplotlib, and here also you need to install. Can I uninstall first? Still feeling so sleepiness, sir. It already installed in my laptop. Can you help me how to install, sir? Pip install. Yeah. Please, I'm hearing. Please be silent. Based on requirement, we need to install the library. This is done. So this is the way we need to install the library. Okay. Setup, environmental setup. At last we're supposed to see. So environmental setup is done. Open your notepad. Open your command prompt and you need to run this command. That command name is a pip install Seaborn. Chaptara Sachi? Pip install Seaborn. Seaborn. Okay, we are good to go. It is successfully installed. Direct code. Get ready, sir. Please be focused actually. Listen carefully. Till now, these are all installation is done. What all installation, Daniel? First one is Python. First one is what, Sachi? Python. Listen, please. When you say Python, Python contain functions. I mean, we can create a function. Am I right? And even we can create a class. When you're talking about the class, attribute, and next one will be method. Very nice. I hope you already know. Then same story. When you install pandas, pandas also having functions, and pandas also having classes, and So can you tell me, sir, attributes? The next one will be methods. It is having attributes and methods actually. But hold on. When you install Matplotlib, when you install what, man? Matplotlib, did you notice mostly we worked with functions, important functions. Mostly we worked with what exactly, man? There are some functions are important. Of course, classes are available and attributes are available, methods are available, not required. We are not using in real time. Are you clear? First point. Now, sir, just now we install Seaborn actually. Just now we install what, man? Seaborn. God internally it is having functions. That too, so indirectly Seaborn is storing Seaborn stores public data set. Public data set. That public data set name is so called as a Titanic data set. మళ్ళీ చెప్తున్నాను చూడండి. Seaborn is a library. When I say library, it contains functions, classes, attributes, and methods. Right? Yeah, Seaborn library contains one special function. If you call that function, internally it stores the Titanic data set. Internally it stores what, man? Do you wanted to see the Titanic data set actually? There is a function, that function you need to call, you will get like a data actually. You will get what, man? Data. Can I show you one small example? నేను మీకు ఒక చిన్న ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చూపించమంటారా? Yeah, Daniel. So please focus on this. Notepad only, I hope. DEF, Daniel. Hello. Think like there is a data. Written 100. D equals to Daniel. D equals to what exactly, man? Daniel. If anybody is asking what you have written, I'm sure you are not a Daniel student actually. నేను ఇక్కడ రాసిన ఎవరైనా ఏంటి ఏం రాసాను కనుక అడిగితే I have no words to say actually. Go focus on this one actually. But anyway, let me explain. I have created a function. What is the function? Daniel. And print data. Just I'm printing like a, instead of 5 data, written just 100 value. Written just what, man? 100 value. I can write still here hello. I can write still here what exactly, man? Hello. Hey Daniel, is it possible instead of your function I wanted to store 1 lakh values? What? How many values? You can store. Possible. You do one thing. Here you can just have to list of, so range of, and maybe recently covered generator. Yeah, exactly. Same story. See, 10 values, man. How many values? 10 values. Conclusion of this story, a function can store the data. I mean to say, function can return the data. Can return what, man? Data. How many values here? 10 values. Very good. Can I store 100 values? Possible. Can I store 1000 values? Possible. Can I store 1 lakh value, 10,000 value, 1 lakh value? Anna, these are all possible actually. Please focus on this one. Like how a function is returning 1 lakh value in Seaborn, there is a one function. If you call that function, it gives the data set to you. You understand, I guess. Let me repeat again. I have written a function. Function name is Daniel. This function is giving data set. Just imagine this one is nothing but a data. 1 lakh values it is giving, sir. That's not a joke actually. It is nothing but a data. It is nothing but what, such data. Now look at the heading. Oh my god, it is taking a lot of time. Scroll actually. Ekkudundi cursor. Yeah. Can you read it actually? Data sorted from what exactly? 0, 1, 2, 2, keep on. This is nothing but a data. Okay. Now let me take this one. What I wanted to tell here it is, we have created a function. We have a function can return the data set. Can return what such a data set? That's what I have written here. Okay. So almost 1 lakh value. Same story. Now everybody look at my screen. Everybody please. Import Seaborn as SNS. Do you want to work with pandas? You need to import pandas. Daniel, I would like to work with Matplotlib. Import Matplotlib. I would like to work with Seaborn. Import Seaborn. Which library you wanted to work with that? First you need to import that library. First you need to import what, man? That library. Pandas. Import pandas. Matplotlib. Import matplotlib.pyplot as a PLT. Seaborn. Import Seaborn. Seaborn what, man? Import Seaborn. Once you import it, actually you can please do it alias.